Welcome to Music with Mrs. Avery. Welcome back to the North Carolina virtual experience. We are going to look at the question, what makes music music? A little deeper over the next few lessons. Well, what makes music music? Musical elements, of course. So, we are going to be learning about musical elements that make music music. There are 6 of them that we are going to learn about, and we are going to organize them in a flipbook. Let's get started making our flipbook. Please take that piece of paper you got at the beginning of the lesson and fold it in half like a hot dog. So it will look like this. Your paper should be nice and tall. Make sure you crease that side really, really good. Okay, so I want you to lay that paper in front of you so that the crease is on the left side. So we have to divide the front of our flipbook into 6 equal sections. So the easiest way to do this is to first kind of find your center. You're going to take a pencil and you're going to draw a straight line across. Now I'm using a marker so that you can see it more clearly in the video, but you should use a pencil. Just in case you make a mistake, then you can erase. So now we're going to take this top section here and we want to divide it into 3 equal parts. So you kind of have to eyeball it. If you have a ruler, you are more than welcome to use a ruler. But you will just draw your lines and make sure that you have 3 equal sections. And then we're going to do the same thing for the bottom piece. So 1, 2. So when you draw 2 lines, it breaks it into 3 parts. So just double check and make sure that you have 6 total. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And remember, yours should be in pencil in case you mess up. All right, once you have finished that, you are going to take your scissors and you are going to cut on the line that you drew. Now you want to make sure that you do not cut through the back. Okay, just the front section. So go ahead and take a moment to cut across each of these lines. And when you're finished, you will have something like this. And you will see that you can open this flap and the back is still intact. So you will have 6 sections like this. And if you need additional time, please feel free to pause this video at any time so that you can catch up. So once you have this, go ahead and hold it up. Double check and make sure that you have 6 pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Excellent. So once you have this, we are going to add our musical elements onto each section. So here are our musical elements. We have melody, dynamics, tempo, rhythm, form, and texture. So in your neatest handwriting, I want you to add each of these musical element words to your little sections here. Make sure there is one word per section. When you're finished, it should look like this. Remember to use your best handwriting, and you should spell all of our musical element words correctly because they are up here for you to copy. Remember, if you need a little extra time, you can pause the video so that you can catch up. Now that you have finished writing all of your musical element words on the front sections, we need to add our name. So turn your flipbook around, and I'd like for you to nice and clearly write your name. Please write your first name and your last name. Over the next few lessons, we are going to be talking about all of these musical elements. And you are going to learn how these musical elements make music. For your assignment in Google Classroom, I would like for you to take a picture of your completed flipbook and upload it as an attachment, and then you may turn in your work. I should clearly be able to read each musical element word because you used your best handwriting. Once you have turned the assignment in, I want you to take your musical element flipbook and I want you to put it in your book bag because you are going to bring it to school and bring it to music class on your next in-person music class day. If you are staying at home and learning at home, then you may keep your flipbook in a safe place until our next lesson. Thanks for joining me.